इस रेसिपी को उर्दू में देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद लिंक को क्लिक करें। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम to Asma's kitchen. I'm Asma. Today I'm going to share really delicious recipe of chicken corn soup. Give it a try and let me know your feedback, and watch this video till the end for recipe card. So here are the ingredients of chicken corn soup. Chicken 1 kilogram, sweet corns 4 cup, white pepper 1 teaspoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon, chicken cubes 4, corn flour 10 tablespoon, green onion 2 thinly sliced, carrot 4, onion 2 cut into half, garlic 8 cloves, water 4 liter. Now firstly I am adding chicken with bones into water. Then onions, carrots and garlic and bring it to boil. Now it's boiling, so I'm reducing its heat and let it cook for 35 minutes with covered lid. After 35 minutes, I'm taking out chicken and vegetables into a platter. Keep it aside and take all sweet corns into a blender. Add 1 to 2 cup of water and blend it. Now add this blended sweet corns into stock. Mix it well. Now add chicken cubes, white pepper, black pepper and mix it well and let it cook on low-medium flame. Now back to this, I will discard all the vegetables first. Then I am separating chicken from its bones and having its meat into small pieces. Now add this chicken pieces into chicken stock and mix it and let it cook on low-medium heat. Now take corn flour into a bowl and add half cup of water and mix it well so that there will be no lumps at all. Then add it into stock while continuously stirring the stock. And our soup is almost ready. One last step, I am taking 4 eggs into same bowl and going to whisk it a bit. Now add whisked eggs into soup, mix it. And here it is. Garnish it with spring onions and keep it aside. Now I'm going to share really delicious vinegar recipe. For this you will need 1 cup of vinegar, green chilies 2 thinly sliced, salt 1/4 teaspoon. Take vinegar into a saucepan and heat it and add salt and mix it and let it dissolve into vinegar. Now you can see bubbles into vinegar. At this point add green chilies and mix it and let it vinegar reach at its boiling point. Then turn off flame and it's ready. I am serving it. Now I am dishing out chicken corn soup. It's ready. Now I'm sprinkling some salt, black pepper, and pouring chili sauce and soya sauce. Now vinegar I have prepared for this soup. And in last, garnishing it with green onions. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to share it with your family and friends. Give thumbs up if you like it, leave comment below, and subscribe Asma's Kitchen for more delicious recipes. Don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will be notified when I will upload a new video. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.